Hey, what's up guys? Matt Bogosian here. Today I am in a neighborhood called Pine Creek, and right behind me is the model home that is a Wentworth floor plan built by Crescent Homes, and I'm gonna take you guys for a tour. So come on, let's head on inside. All right, they've got their office in there, but this home does have a 3-car garage option. This is a great neighborhood. It's located in Arrington, Tennessee. So the good thing about that is you're right down the road from Arrington Vineyards. So you can pretty much get all the wine you could ever possibly want every weekend. All right, so when you step in, there's a beautiful foyer right here with really high ceilings. Nice light right there. You've got your stairs going up to the right, and to the left here, you've got a really nice office. I love those built-ins that they did. Keep in mind, this is the model home, which they really kind of deck out with options, but still, really nice floors. Check out those floors. That light colored flooring is really in. That right there is actually a half bathroom. This is kind of like the mudroom. Check out the floor. I really like that. In that chevron pattern, nice drop zone, and the flooring continues right here into the laundry room. Really great laundry room too. Plenty of cabinets, countertop here, and the lights. Lights make such a big difference. Those look great. All right, heading this way. I'm gonna take you guys right to the kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen and living room area. Does this not flow so well? This is a 12-foot island too. So if you like large islands, this floor plan has got it. And that is actually standard with this house now, as of today. That could change. Wood beam ceilings. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Nice pantry right there. You've got a dining room right here. Tons of natural light coming in. Look at the shiplap walls too. I like that. Nice detail. And then you've got the living room area right here. The fireplace right there. They did double doors on each side. That's really nice. I do like that. Although, I mean, well, they've got the extended back patio. Yeah, check this out. So this has an option for a larger, like, wraparound back patio. And the model home has that. We had snow out here recently, so, but check it out. Isn't that awesome? And then they've got the fireplace right here. I don't know if that's actually operational, but yeah. So that's pretty dang cool if you ask me. All right, so stepping back in. Now this floor plan has 5 bedrooms, double oven right here. Just kind of show you guys that. I like that. So you step over here and this is the master bedroom. I mean, check that out. It's beautiful, isn't it? 3 windows right there. That middle, the 3 windows is actually an option. You do get 2 windows though. Looks really good. Then you get those windows over the bed. I love the wall trim right there. Yeah, it looks really good. That's a nice color. It's kind of like a cream color. All right, the master bathroom. Got a closet on this side, another closet right here, and then we've got a shower right here to the right, the tub straight in front of you. This is an option as well. So some of this stuff, just keep in mind, is options, but you've got a sink on this side and a sink on this side. I mean, very spacious. There is plenty of room in this bathroom, which I know a lot of you would probably like. And I think the double closets is a really nice thing too. It can just keep things separate. They did the barn doors right here. Yeah, that's just a nice feature. I think a lot of people would appreciate that. All right, let's keep on moving here. That's just a little coat closet right there. I know you guys are impatient. Everyone's on TikTok just flying through these videos and flipping through them. All right, so you step up. This is so nice. Look at this bonus room / loft. I mean, it's giant. Oh my gosh, check out this light. Is this not really cool? It's missing a bulb, but isn't that cool? I love what they've done up here. Yeah, so you put your TV right there. They've got the built-ins. What a perfect room for hanging out. All right, so there's a bedroom right here off this bonus room. Very nice size. It's got its own walk-in closet, and it's got a Jack and Jill bathroom here. So there's a sink there, there's a tub there, water closet's probably back that way. Really neat floors. I'll go into that room after. Then off the bonus room over here, there's a nice closet right here. You've got this room. This room is huge. So this is actually a optional guest suite. And I really highly recommend that you do it. I had some clients that actually chose this option, and I'm so glad they did. It's just giant. And it's a guest suite because, I mean, you can see how huge it is. It's got its own bathroom. Really nice. Sorry, I'm getting out of control here. Big walk-in closet. Super awesome room. I love that. Okay, heading this way, then you've got a bathroom in the hallway right here. Oh, what a great shower. I love that tile. I love that light. Holy moly. Oh, I'm telling you, lighting can change a house. Even that light over the foyer. Love it. Then you've got a bedroom right here. Nice sized bedroom, and it's got a door that goes out to a front porch. Check this out. They might have it. No, it's not locked. Check this out. How sweet is this? Oh, you got that Tennessee sunset going down, a view of the pond right there. That is awesome. I dig it. I dig it. Lock that up. All right, I think I've just got one more bedroom to show you guys. Right here. Yeah. Oh, and they did the wallpaper. Really nice bedroom. And this one has its own bathroom here as well. Oh no, this is the Jack and Jill, excuse me. So yeah, nice Jack and Jill. There's the closet. Really great setup. So, okay, there you have it, guys. This is the Wentworth floor plan built by Crescent Homes. Like I said, there's just so many different options that you can choose from. They have some super, super awesome deals here too in Pine Creek. I know that they're probably finishing up on some of the deals because we're getting into the spring season, but if you call quickly, you might be able to snag one. So guys, once again, my name is Matt Bogosian. If you're interested in moving to the Arrington area or anywhere in Middle Tennessee, just head over to workwithmatt.com, and from there you can schedule a quick appointment with me. All right, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I'll see you next time. Bye.